Hey, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and welcome back to the channel. And now it's time to find out what's in the toolbox. And in the toolbox today is this Wilko 38-piece ratchet and screwdriver set. So let me just quickly pop this open for you. And there we are. So we have the screwdriver, and then we have 37 bits, sorry. Quite a useful little tool. Let me just quickly set up a demonstration for you, and then we'll move on to the next part. So here we have a piece of wood with some screws in it. I've used this before in other videos, but yeah, as you can see, let me just quickly turn it the right way around so it actually drives. There we go. A nice good ratcheting click on it. Yeah, it makes easy work considering the angle I'm screwing this at. It's really quite an easy screwdriver to use. Yeah, very nice. Very solid, nice little screwdriver. Here's a closer look at the screwdriver and the bits that it comes with. As you can see, there's quite a variety of bits, and they look quite good, and I'll show you some more on them in the next clip. Yeah, just thought I'd show you the bits quickly. So we've got all the bits here. We have some flatheads, some Posi drives, some Allen ones, as well as some Robinson ones, which are square drives. We don't use them very much in the UK, but they are quite handy to have. We also have the standard Phillips, some flatheads, yeah, some Torx, always useful to have some Torx, and yeah, not a bad selection of bits really. So yeah, overall I'm quite impressed with this little screwdriver. I have been using a similar ratcheting screwdriver as you saw in my rear light changing video on the Citroen. Yeah, this one I think is going to replace that. So yeah, I'm quite looking forward to using this a bit more. I've already used it to change some rear lights out on a different car. I didn't get any footage of that unfortunately, but yeah, quite nice, quite useful to have. Comes with a variety of sizes, so really my final thoughts on these are, it's a nice little kit, perfectly adequate. Comes with this lovely little case, which I haven't mentioned before, but having a case, I plan to keep this in the car a bit more. Thank you for watching until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not drop a like on this video? If you have any questions about this video, or any of my other videos, why not ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. If you want to see more from me, why not subscribe to the channel? And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a sensational day.